The world of fragrance is complex, but learning a few insider facts can take you from newbie to a perfume pro. Fragrance lasts longer on hydrated skin. Try spritzing after applying unscented lotion. Body heat activates fragrance, making pulse points ideal areas for application. Don't forget your lower half. Mist low pulse points for a full body experience. Never rub fragrance on skin. It can break down the scent and cause it to fade faster. Let it air dry untouched. Hair carries scent very well. Spritz your brush to lightly scent your strands. Ever notice how a fragrance can smell different from person to person? Blame our unique skin pH for the variation. Eau de toilette contains 10 to 15% perfume oil, making it ideal for switching up your scent from day to night. Keep a travel size in your bag. Eau de parfum contains a higher percent of perfume oil, so its aroma can linger for longer wear. Experiment beyond traditional applications. Spritz objects like your hair ties to create a broader sensory experience. Shopping for a new scent? Try out a variety of fragrances from the comfort of your home with Sephora Favorites Kits. Select your favorite and redeem the included scent certificate for a full-size bottle at no extra cost. And just like that, a few simple tips will help maximize your fragrances, however you choose to wear them. Explore fragrance at Sephora.